Hey guys, in today's video I am bringing you the unboxing of the Google Nest Mini smart speaker. A speaker with a built-in AI that can not only play audio but make calls and reminders and many other things too. On the Google website this product is £49, but I managed to cheekily pick this up from Spotify's premium bundle giveaway, so I wanted to do a video of my initial thoughts on it. One thing I love about Google's products packaging is its simplicity. Everything from the way it looks to the instruction manuals itself. As we open the box, you can see the Nest Mini itself. It is available in many different colors including white, red and blue. I happen to get it in black as it matches my desk. The top is made with a fabric material, giving it this very slick design that can look good in anyone's home. A switch is located at the bottom if you want the microphone on or off, which is great to stop triggering the Google Assistant. In addition to the speaker, there's the AC power adapter and an instruction booklet. My experience with all the Google's devices I've set up, the instructions are always 2 or 3 steps, nothing complex, which is great because it's so easy to follow and everybody loves easy. Setting up the device was very quick. All I had to do was download the Google Home app on my device and the app does most of the work. I just had to set up my preferences. The Google Home app is the central hub for any Google devices in your home. For the Nest Mini, you can control the volume, pause, play, change the settings and even give your music a bass and treble boost. You're also able to set the speaker to only recognize your voice so no one else can activate the assistant. The device has 4 dotted lights in the middle to indicate the volume. The volume can also be adjusted on the device by touching the left and right side of the speaker. The sound of the speaker is actually pretty good in comparison to other speakers of a similar price point. One of them being the Sony SRS XB10 that I made a review on previously. I'd say the sound quality is better than that speaker, plus you get the bonus of an AI assistant. It hasn't got that deep bass technology, but the sound is definitely more crisp. Overall, these speakers are easy to set up, looks great, very convenient, but I think the downfall of this product is the fact that it's wired. Smart speakers are definitely the future of speakers, but to really maximize the level of convenience, Google need to find a way to make this device wireless if or when the 3rd generation comes out. With all things considered, the speaker gets an 8 out of 10 from me. Besides the fact that it isn't wireless, this product is great for what it is, and as someone who owns quite a few Google Home devices, I will be sure to use some of these AI bonus features. This has been FamidTech. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.